Are you looking for one of the best screen recording software with no watermark? If yes, then this video is for you. Hey there awesome people, how are you guys doing? So this is here Vibro from Tech Week, and today in this video I have an amazing screen recording program for you. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Well, if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, as 98% of you guys aren't subscribed. So if you really want to support a small creator like me, then it's up to the channel would definitely make my day. So the screen recording program that we'll be going to use today is nothing but Watermark converter. Now yes, I know you must be thinking this is a video converting software, and strangely that's the best thing about this tool. This is a video converting tool as well as an excellent screen recording program with no watermarks. Some of the other features excluding video converting includes DVD conversion and backup, a built-in video downloader, and finally the screen recorder, which is the meat and potato for this video. Now let's talk about the system requirements for Watermark converter, because I know there are a lot of you amazing people who are rocking some older generation devices, which is absolutely fine, and you might be thinking what all specification you need in order to use this application. Now talking about Windows, you will at least need Windows 7 or more, 1 GB of RAM, but recommended is 2 GB, and a 1 GHz Intel or AMD processor, and at least 200 MB of hard disk space for installation. Well, these are the system requirements for PCs, but talking about Mac users, you will need a Mac OS X Snow Leopard or more. And talking about the latest M1 Apple chips are also supported by Watermark, which is pretty great. So it doesn't matter if you're using a really high-end laptop like a Mac OS, not Mac OS, like a MacBook or stuff like that, Watermark converter does support it, and which is pretty great. To know more and download this amazing utility, please check the video description for download link. And I also want to thank the Jordi team for sponsoring this video, and as always, no editorial input has been provided by the company or anything as such. Everything is my own. After installing the Jordi Watermark converter and opening it, we'll get this screen, which has the features of video processing, DVD conversion, video downloader, and finally video recorder. As this video is about screen recording, so I'll select the video recording feature of Watermark converter. Now you will have to select whether you want to record your screen, record your webcam, or record both your screen and webcam. For me, I'll select screen recording mode. Now you can see a preview of the recording area. If you have multiple monitors, you can also choose which monitors you would want to record at this lower left corner right here. Next to that, you have the crop feature, which enables you to record a specific area or region according to your need. And next, we have the option to record your Windows sound and even record your microphone input, even if you use a dedicated microphone if you have any, like me. Next to it, we have the final big red button to start or stop recording. Once you click on the record button, Watermark converter will show you the hotkeys to stop the recording or even open the pen tool, which you can use to draw or also highlight whenever you're recording. To stop recording, press the hotkeys as shown, or just click on the Watermark converter icon from taskbar and click on the stop button. To play your recorded video, just click on the play button right here. Even the PC gamers out there can also use Watermark converter to record their gameplay with no issue. Here's a small gaming clip for you, and yes, this gameplay is recorded using Watermark, so enjoy. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you're looking for a free screen recording software that you can use without any watermark, then you can definitely try out this software. Like I said before, the download links can be found in the video description, And if this video was helpful, then please do consider liking this video, as it will motivate me to make more videos like this one. And lastly, if you're looking for a best voice changing software for your computer, then check this video to your left. And if you want some free RAM for your old PC, then check this video to your right. This is Vibro, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.